The this keyword in JavaScript simply refers to the current object. The value of the this keyword will be different based on the context that a function is called in. If I run the this keyword here, I get the global object, which in the case of the browser is the window object. If I create an object with two keys, name and say hello, then running the say hello method that's inside my object will print out hello, my name is Alice, because the this keyword is referring to my object and therefore is grabbing the name key from my object. If I change the context of where the say hello method is run, so instead of running the function inside of my object, I run the function inside of the global window object, I'll get hello, my name is undefined, because the name key does not exist in the global window object. You can read more about the this keyword in this Medium article, which I'll have a link for in the comments below.